Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ba Preston Tun Song ula kentui kipat ba ki bawan rong sya kejela ba kemdai ban ai ki jingtip ki bathok nrai bagi ban ai ki jingtip ki bapaka bat ki basisha. Uba Preston Tun Song ula ong ba sarkar kasngau khya ba halor ki jingja badan ki brio ki balayo ai ki jing pang COVID-19 tang ba shimlala ban lap yaki namar bagila ai ki jingtip ki bamdai hak entry point. Ula ong bagi brio kemdai ban ele akai bat kene ka khlam hakum kene ka por bat kene ki jingle athok jongki kanang pensniu dor syo ki jinglong jingman ha kejela. Ulang bagi tu gib ai gijing tip gi bamdai kimdai bani kendo inu ragi ban shangkhop ek jaka ke bagi don bat bandit tes biang rin shposngi ban pentikina bakim dan shu ek jingpang uba preston tun song ulang ba ke jingle thok jong gikat tok ane kan ombo tangek emlang saalang ha ke jingma ragi buru gi yang kesem ki bahayang bahasam bat lagi khon ki kti ha ke jingma ula kerpat gi pat ba bagi deban ai gijing tip ke bati kena krang baga kan huon jong ketenat kakot kakya kan la bane keren bat ban bot dia ni jinglong jingman jong kakot kakya jongki Uba Preston Tun Song uluang bagalong ke badan kam ya baro ki buan rung syapok ke jela bagi deban pendap ke jingle ya ka COVID test ha ke entry point lagi day manu-manuru.
Those people who submitted particular false statements, stay wherever you are, number one. And number two, you need to understand individually, by your doing this, you create more harm, not only to the community, to your own family members, to your own house, to your own children, to your own relatives. So it's very important, you need to understand. And this one, I think we need not say anything from the government. You need to know yourself. That is very important.
Any legal action against these people?
I'm telling you what legal action can be done right now. Because we are fighting against the COVID-19. How can you take legal action?
Because some of the government officials also reported.
What?
If some are government officials also as per the report.
In this situation, irrespective of whether you government officials, you are ministers, you are MLA, you are anybody, but you are subjected to pass through that entry. We have made it very clear, strict, that everyone has to follow the protocols and you have to come via the entry point. Out of 100, maybe 1%, he is a cheater. And how do you expect our staff who man the entry point can verify when we ask the question, what is your phone number? They given the phone number. When we ask, where do you stay? They told us, I'm staying here. The address, everything is there. So we don't have much time. I'm telling you, we don't have much time. And please don't see these kind of things I'm telling you. I would like to tell you, to appeal to everyone, act responsibly. Because your mischief, your misdeed, it may lead to further deterioration of the situation.